Have you ever wondered why animals from the ancient past were so large? The Jurassic era, a time when the Earth was teeming with life forms of unimaginable size. Oxygen levels were higher, human interference was non-existent, and the world was a vast, unexplored wilderness. From colossal insects to towering dinosaurs, these titans of the past make our modern fauna seem rather petite. So, are you ready to delve into a time when giants roamed the Earth? Let's begin our countdown with number 10. At number 10, we have the Arthropleura, a giant millipede-like creature from the Carboniferous period. Picture this, an intimidating crawler stretching up to 2.5 meters long, roughly the size of a small car. Imagine meeting that on a forest walk. This giant arthropod roamed the dense, oxygen-rich forests of what is now North America and Scotland. Its size is largely attributed to the high oxygen levels of its time, allowing such large invertebrates to exist. As for its diet, it's believed to have been a herbivore. That's right, this enormous creature was munching on primitive plants and fallen leaves. Its exoskeleton, made of strong overlapping plates, served as its primary defense mechanism against predators. Interestingly, no mouth or gut fossils have been found to date, leaving some aspects of its lifestyle a mystery. But if you think this is big, wait until you see what's next. At number 9, we introduce the Dunkleosteus, a prehistoric fish with a bite that could crush a small car. This behemoth of the deep was an armored fish that roamed the oceans approximately 360 million years ago during the late Devonian period. The Dunkleosteus was a colossal creature, measuring up to 30 feet in length, with a weight that could tip the scales at over 4 tons. It was a top predator in its time, feasting mainly on other fish and smaller marine life. The Dunkleosteus had a unique feature: it didn't have true teeth. Instead, it had 2 long bony plates that could snap shut with incredible force, enough to crush bones and shells with ease. Its habitat spanned across ancient oceans worldwide, with fossil evidence found from North America to Europe and Africa. Truly, the Dunkleosteus was a force to be reckoned with in ancient waters. But hold on, this is just the beginning. The next creature is even more astonishing. Before we move on, how about a little quiz? Can you guess the largest dinosaur ever discovered? Perhaps you're thinking of the Tyrannosaurus rex, or maybe the Brachiosaurus. Or could it be a lesser-known species? Feel free to comment your guesses below. Don't worry, there's no penalty for wild guesses. We'll reveal the answer later in the video. So keep those gears turning and stay with us. Stay tuned to find out if you're right. Now back to our countdown. Coming in at number 8, we have the Argentinosaurus, one of the largest dinosaurs ever discovered. This gigantic creature roamed the Earth during the late Cretaceous period, specifically in what is now Argentina, hence its name. The Argentinosaurus was a herbivore, dining on the abundant plant life of its era. As for size, imagine a dinosaur that's as long as 3 school buses lined up end to end. That's right, the Argentinosaurus could grow to a staggering 100 feet in length and weighed around 75 to 100 tons. This dinosaur was so enormous that its eggs were the size of a rugby ball. Its immense size wasn't just for show, it was a survival strategy. The Argentinosaurus had few predators thanks to its towering height and massive weight. This dinosaur truly exemplifies the grandeur and awe-inspiring scale of the prehistoric world. Now, let's move on to a creature that makes the Argentinosaurus look small. At number 7, we have the blue whale, the largest animal currently living on our planet. These marine giants can grow up to a staggering 100 feet in length. That's the equivalent of about 3 school buses. They call the vast expanses of the world's oceans their home, from the icy Arctic and Antarctic waters to the warmer tropics. Their diet mainly consists of tiny shrimp-like animals called krill, and during feeding season, a single blue whale can consume an astounding 4 tons of krill a day. Despite their massive size, these gentle giants have a rather peaceful demeanor, communicating with each other through a series of low-frequency pulses, groans, and moans. Did you know that the heart of a blue whale is so large that a human could swim through its arteries? Now that's colossal. As we continue our countdown, the animals only get bigger. Before we continue, let's reveal the answer to our quiz. the title of the largest dinosaur ever discovered goes to, drumroll please, the Argentinosaurus. Towering over the rest, this behemoth truly defines the term giant. If you correctly guessed Argentinosaurus, take a moment to bask in your prehistoric prowess. You are indeed a dinosaur connoisseur, and if not, no worries. There's always the next quiz. Now let's continue our journey through the world of giant animals. We have now reached the top 3 in our countdown. Are you ready to meet the largest animals that have ever existed? In third place, we have the awe-inspiring Spinosaurus. This dinosaur, whose name means spine lizard, is estimated to have reached lengths of up to 59 feet, making it one of the largest carnivorous dinosaurs. With a habitat that spanned what is now North Africa, the Spinosaurus was a semi-aquatic creature, equally at home on land or in water. Its diet consisted of fish and other dinosaurs. The most distinctive feature of the Spinosaurus, as its name suggests, is the row of tall spines on its back, forming a sail-like structure. Moving on, in second place, we find the majestic Megalodon. This prehistoric shark is thought to have been up to 60 feet long. The Megalodon's habitat covered the entire planet, as it was capable of surviving in both warm and cold waters. Its diet? Mostly whales. Yes, you heard that right. This giant shark preyed on whales. The Megalodon had the most powerful bite of any creature that has ever lived, making it a truly terrifying ocean predator. And now for the number 1 spot. The largest animal to have ever lived is still with us today. It's none other than the magnificent blue whale. This giant of the deep can reach lengths of up to 100 feet and weigh as much as 200 tons. Their habitat spans the globe, with populations in every ocean. Blue whales feast on tiny shrimp-like animals called krill, consuming up to 4 tons in a single day. The heart of a blue whale is so large that a human could swim through its arteries. These were truly giants among giants. Their size and power remind us of the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth, and the fascinating history of the animal kingdom that has led us to the world we know today. We have now seen some of the largest animals that have ever roamed our planet. It's fascinating, isn't it? We've journeyed back in time, from the Jurassic era to the present day, marveling at these incredible giants. Let's take a quick trip down memory lane. We kicked off our countdown with the gigantic Arthropleura, a millipede-like creature that could reach lengths of over 8 feet. Then we dived deep into the ocean to meet the mighty Dunkleosteus, a 4-ton armored fish with a bite that could crush a small car. Our journey didn't stop there. We ventured into the land of dinosaurs to meet the enormous Argentinosaurus, one of the largest land animals that ever lived, stretching up to 100 feet in length. And who could forget our modern-day marvel, the colossal blue whale, the largest animal currently in existence, with a heart the size of a small car. We took a brief break to test your knowledge with a fun quiz, and then we returned to our countdown, revealing the top 3 giants. But why were these animals so large? It's a question that has fascinated scientists for years. The size of these animals can be attributed to several factors, including abundant food supply, the lack of natural predators, and favorable environmental conditions. An abundance of resources allowed these animals to grow to unprecedented sizes. The absence of predators meant that these giants could live long enough to reach their maximum potential size. And favorable environments, such as warm climates and vast open spaces, provided the perfect conditions for these animals to thrive. In essence, these giants are a testament to the incredible diversity and adaptability of life on Earth. They remind us that our planet has been home to a wide range of creatures, each uniquely adapted to their environment and time. Thank you for joining us on this journey through time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Infoguru for more exciting content. Until next time, keep being curious.
Infoguru.